play it out loud?
Yeah, just relax, like, just chill, fast.
Okay.
Love you, man.
I love you too. You good?
Yes. 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 Bro, come on. Yes. Yes.
What?
Why?
Why are you waking me up? I'm
I have to
falling
get
asleep.
up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Why are you waking me up? I'm already falling asleep.
Yes. There's no fucking way you're falling asleep to that. Like, come on. Come on, please. I already got a slight headache. Like, come on. I just told you that. Like, stop, bro. And you still have this fucking TV on.
Because, like, I need...
Come on, please,
I
stop.
need the light on to help me fall asleep.
Yes. Watch something then.
Okay. I'm just playing my sleep music.
Look, change
I'll
that.
play sleep music.
Change that.
Okay, I will change it.
Fuck.
I'll change it.
Please, babe. It's not the moment. It's not the time. Excuse me. Yes. Yes.
Ow! Damn! Why you slam my ass so hard? That hurt. Why are you looking like that? Why are you waking me up like that?
Give me your phone.
No.
Give me your phone. I'm not gonna ask you again.
Okay, Give
me your phone. Let me show you what sleepy music is.
I'm gonna play sleepy music.
No,
I promise.
let me show you.
Okay, I'm done.
Yeah, stop. Cause it's not funny.
Okay.
I gotta get up at fucking 6 a.m.
Me too. That's why I'm trying to fall asleep.
Do it again. I swear I'm gonna take I'm gonna rip your cheeks off your ass. That's how I'm gonna hit your ass.
Okay.
So stop.
I'm not gonna play that.
Please.
I'm gonna play my.
Like, why do you keep doing that? Like, it's not even fucking funny no more. Like, the first time, I ain't gonna lie, it kind of giggled me. But now it's annoying as fuck. So stop.
But this is my sleep.
That's not your... You don't ever fucking fall asleep to that. Play that thunder music.
Okay, I'll play thunder.
For real, please. It's not funny. Let me see.
I'm playing thunder. Stop.
Turn the TV off.
I'm about to. It's about to be thunders.
Yes. What is that?
It's an ad. It's about to be the thunder sound. Hold on. Just go to sleep. It says sound effects relaxation. You see it? Sound effects relaxation.
Yes! Oh my gosh. Bro, you really about to make me mad. Like, you really pissing me off, you ass. Yazzie.
Ow! Babe. Why are you turning it off? I was falling asleep.
No, turn your whole phone off. You don't need it.
Okay.
Give me the fucking remote.
Stop! Why are you turning the TV off?
It's
I was
over
about
with.
to play Rain Sounds.
It's over with. No, you're going to sleep in peace.
I played the Rain
Go
Sounds
to
on
sleep.
the TV.
Go to sleep. You're definitely not going to play that shit on the TV. Go to sleep.
Push your bullets aside, erase them.